Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove a tag on Facebook, timeline control step by step clearly. Open the Facebook app on your phone or go to Facebook. Log into the account where you were tagged. Tap your profile picture or your name to open your profile page. On your profile, find the post you are tagged in by scrolling your timeline. If you cannot find it, tap the search icon and type the name of the person who posted it. Open the tagged post so you can see the full post and its options. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. In the menu, look for an option that mentions tag or remove tag. Tap remove tag to untag yourself from that post. Confirm the action if Facebook asks you to confirm. Go back to your profile to make sure the tag is removed from your timeline view. Now open Settings by tapping your profile menu and selecting Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings to enter the full settings page. Scroll to Audience and Visibility, then tap Profile and Tagging. Under Reviewing, find Review posts you're tagged in before the post appears on your profile. Turn that setting on to control what shows on your timeline in the future. Go back one screen and find review tags people add to your posts before the tags appear on Facebook. Turn that setting on to approve tags before they become visible. Under Tagging, find who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile. Set it to Friends or Only Me if you want stricter visibility. Find who can see tags on your posts and adjust it to the audience you prefer. Return to your home feed and open Notifications to check for recent tags. Tap a notification about a tag to open the related post quickly. If you do not see Remove Tag, tap the three dots again and choose Find Support or Report Post. Select the option that says it's unwanted content or something similar, then follow the prompts. If the post is on your friend's timeline, you can also ask the person to remove the tag from their post. If it is a photo, open the photo, tap Options or three dots, and choose Remove Tag there as well. Check your activity log from your profile menu to review all tagged posts in one place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.